Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Why do we forget who we were made to be? Living in a fantasy. Don't you know that true beauty is the spirit that lives within? A quiet confidence hidden in your essence.
Okay, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go in the bathroom and, fix up my hair because there's only so much I can do, looking in the camera. But I have to because it's looking pretty wild. But yet I do like the fullness and, then compared to yesterday. So what I'm going to do is kind of go back in the bathroom and style it and then come back and show you how it looks. Alright, I'm back and this is the finished look for my second day twist out. So I'm going to get a little closer so you can see. It's a little bit of frizz, but I don't mind. But it didn't take long to put it in. Well, I probably had about 10 twists, and I just took a small section. It could have been more than 10 twists, but I'm saying it didn't take long to do. I just twisted it up. I think I put a little bit of Delight My Hair butter. That's it, and just twisted up the twist. And I actually like the texture of the twist when I retwisted them. It really looked. I really like the feel of them. And then this morning, as you can see, it's, to me, I don't know if I'd have to do a side-by-side shot, and I'd probably do it like right now. So you can see the difference in the fullness of the twist today and the fullness of the twist yesterday, because I feel like it's a lot fuller today than it was yesterday. And that's the way I like it. As the days go on, it gets bigger and bigger. And of course, you guys know if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I really like wearing braid outs, because braid outs really stretch my hair, it just really stretches my hair a lot. And so this is my twist out for the day. And all I did was, everything's reversed. Okay, I put like a bobby pin here. Like I put a little bit of my hair up and stuck a bobby pin there just to kind of have it, and then just kind of fluffed it around there. And then this side, it's down, just, that's all I did. So it wasn't really anything major that I did to my hair, but I really do like it today. And I want to come on here and just share with you my second day twist out, my hairstyle for the day. So, and also to take it down earlier, I know I've already had on there that I used Delight My Hair butter, a little bit of that on my fingers to take it out to prevent frizz. And it's not a lot of frizz, you guys, but it's, just a small amount, but it's okay. But yeah, so this is my hairstyle. I've already showed pictures, but please do a video response to this video if you want to share your hairstyle for the day. You can comment just saying what you styled your hair for the day. If you're watching this on the Facebook pages, you can just comment on this and just, share what your hairstyle for the day is. You can even post pictures of your hairstyle for the day, because on Sephora Beauty's Facebook page, I have an album on there called My Hair is Styling. And you can submit a picture, post a picture on the Facebook page on Sephora Beauty's, and I will add it to that album. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and remember to love the hair and body God gave you. Bye.
Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful.